welcome back to another video. So it's currently 5 o'clock right now, and if you're wondering why I'm up so early, it's literally because of the first time in months I fell asleep really early. I fell asleep at 9 o'clock. And I'm currently at my grandma's house. I slept here with my little cousin. And yeah, I'm speaking quietly because I'm the only one awake right now. And it's only 5 o'clock. And it's still raining, so I'll probably go home around 6 or 7. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna wait for them to wake up and for the rain to stop, so I'll probably edit the previous video I filmed that I probably got getting posted before this one. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. So in this clip, I'm just editing the other video, obviously, and I can finally film some school vlogs because school is starting on August 3. I'm literally so excited because I haven't seen my friends for 4-5 months already because of the earthquake that happened. But yeah, my school is starting on August 3. So stay tuned for both of the videos because I'm just gonna post it at the same time. And bro, I can't even save the video to my gallery because our internet connection is slow. So yeah, I'm trying to finish editing this now so I can upload it on Monday or Tuesday next week. It's already basta. She's awake, y'all. Bro, what time is it? 6? Bro, my phone is at 1%, so bye-bye now. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Tanya, Nana. Nana. Ah, cutie.
Hello guys, I want to baby.
I'm gonna eat breakfast, but I still have to charge my phone because I'm at 23%. So yeah.
2 hours later.
I just finished charging and I'm at 60% right now. And bro, the rain came back. I'm just watching Days right now. But I'm gonna put on some music and edit my video again. And then around 10, I'll shower. So yeah. So I low-key don't know what to voice over on this part, but my little cousin has a YouTube channel, so go subscribe to it and also watch her first video that was filmed in our house. And bro, I was literally her cameraman. Like, I mean, woman. It's literally so cold and I feel sick whenever it's raining. And I literally wanna sleep, but I'm gonna sleep later. Or like take a nap. I hate rainy seasons, bro. It's already 10 a.m. Now I'm gonna wash the dishes first before taking a shower. So I'll be right back. So I am done showering and I already combed my hair. I'm here in my room again. And now I have to continue my homework. Yay! And bro, I'm literally like so lazy to do this. So after, I'm gonna watch the last episode of Duang with You because I haven't watched it yet because of the workloads. So yeah, see y'all later.
2 hours later.
So it's almost 1 o'clock and I just finished. And I'm getting a little hungry, so let's go eat lunch. Oh, and by the way, these are my medals. This is for the Nutrition Month uh, dress up contest, and this one is also for second place in the classroom. I actually have a lot more medals than that too, but I just put it there since there was no space. Let's go eat lunch. Uy, mura mo mga pulubi dira na nangayo pagkaon. Ate and left some crumbs. I'm gonna eat rambutan. So I just finished eating. Now I'm in my room. And so I think next week is the start of 6th grade. But the first day was supposed to be on June 8th. But of course, you know, the big earthquake happened. And I want to share my thoughts about 6th grade since it'll be the last like school year that I'll be in this year. I'm gonna rest and think about something, and I'll see y'all later. I am literally like so sleepy, so I guess I'll go take a nap. I'll see y'all again later.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, it's already 5 p.m. and I literally just woke up. And bro, even though the rain like stopped a little, it's still so cold. And my mom and dad aren't even home. I don't know where they went. So I'm practically home alone. Anyways, I'm gonna scroll on my phone because I'm waiting for my mom to reply. Yeah. So I have to charge my phone. So I guess I'll see you later again. So I wore my jacket because it's really cold, bro. Like I feel like I'm gonna get sick even though I didn't go in the rain or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna continue charging. So as always, I'm watching Daisy again. And bro, I did my lashes and I love it so much. Do you know she's afraid of the like eyelash curler? But that's okay because when I was a kid I was also afraid of it too. The internet is literally like so slow right now. So I'm gonna wash the dishes and take a bath even though it's like really cold. But like I wanna feel refreshed. So yeah. And I'm sleeping at the house now.
A few moments later.
So I just finished washing up and I'm wearing the jacket again. I feel so refreshed right now, but like it's literally so cold still. But I'm done editing the other video, so now I'm gonna edit this one. And yeah, I'm gonna edit real quick. So my dad steamed some dumplings and shomai. So I'm gonna try the dumpling one since I haven't tried it yet. It's good, but like it's so hot. I forgot to blow on it. So I just finished eating. Now I'm like very sleepy, so I guess I'll end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye bye.